Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make payments to the Government Service Bus, GSB, using ZANACO Bill Muster. The guide provides steps on how these payments can be made through any ZANACO Express agent and through any of ZANACO's branches countrywide. Generation of payment on ZAM portal. Payments through Government Service Bus, GSB, are initiated on the Public Service Portal. To access the ZAM portal, the customer may use the link zamportal.gov.zm. To initiate the payment, the customer should log into ZAM portal with their registered login credentials. To view the list of government services, the customer should click on e-Services directory, filter through the listed services, and select the service they wish to pay for. After selecting the service to pay for, the customer should click on Apply for Service. A payment form requesting the customer details will be displayed on the customer's screen. The customer must fill in the form and click on Query. Once the form is completed, the customer will be redirected to the payment summary page, where the customer has the options to either view or download the invoice. To view the invoice, the customer must select Preview the invoice. The invoice will be displayed as below. The customer may download the invoice, print or save it. Government Service Bus, GSB payments on Bill Muster using ZANACO Express. To pay through ZANACO Express, the Express agent will need to follow the steps below. The agent logs into the ZANACO Express app. The Express agent then selects bill payments from the list of options. The agent selects Bill Muster. After selecting Bill Muster, the Express agent selects Government as the payment category. The agent should select 6216 MOF GSB. The agent enters the consumer's GSB invoice number. The customer details are validated on the system and the transaction is confirmed. The Express agent clicks Next and verifies the transaction. Thereafter, the transaction will be completed, processed on the ZANACO system, and the Government Service Bus system is notified of the successful deposit. The Express agent may proceed to print the deposit receipts. Once payment is completed, the customer can log into the ZAM portal to download the GSB receipt.